Welcome students to day 8 of Comp 1 2D Art. We are on Unit 1 and we are talking about discovering the various types of lines in art. Why are we doing this? Because lines help us determine all kinds of things. We've covered gesture drawing, we've covered movement, contour, blind contour, outline, that lines can give you personality. And we're going to focus a little bit more on continuous lines today with a drawing assignment, and review a little bit on gesture as well. So why are we doing this? Because it helps your hand-eye coordination and it stimulates the brain, and most importantly it's going to help you improve any drawing that you're doing, not just the ones that we're working on now. So again, we're on Unit 1 line. I'm going to walk over and show you that you're going to log on again to, whoops, get back a little bit. You're going to log on to Pinterest, our class Pinterest page, and then you can see you go to the line unit, okay, Unit 1 line. Do it here, I can hold it a little bit better. Okay, and then once you click on this, the unit, these should be the first ones. I managed to get those up there. This is your finished assignment, and you're going to need to look at continuous line self-portraits, and there are 3 really good ones. And you can see that this one right down here in the lower left shows a lot of personality, and that's done all with one continuous line, as is these two. And the one on the right looks very simple. It's very well done, and that's called a 3/4 view. Remember, as always, words that are mentioned, such as self-portrait and portrait, continuous line, these are all part of your responsibility and vocabulary that's used in class. So we're sorry we missed you today, but these are your assignments. So the first thing you're going to do these are all the things we did today. The first thing you're going to do is, on a plain white piece of paper, you're going to label it Gesture Fest. And this is also on that line unit in E-class. It's going to look like this, right? And you're going to choose 2 lines, 2 categories. So let's say I'm going to choose ballet dancing, okay? And I'm going to choose breaking because those 2 are right beside each other. And so I'm going to draw these little gesture figures all the way across for those 2 rows on a white piece of paper. They're little stick figures, but they're gesture figures. And that should take about 10 minutes. When you're finished with that, you're going to practice your one continuous line self-portrait. You're going to practice it on white paper. I would practice it a couple of times. And then you're going to get a colored piece of construction paper. Any color is fine. These are 9 by 12. And you're going to draw your finished one on your colored piece of construction paper with a pen. So you can practice with pencil, but your finished one is going to be with pen or a thin line marker on a colored piece of construction paper. And it is due this week for the line unit. So on your progress tracker, we're on week 2, okay? So right here, we are working with line. All this is classwork grade, okay? And then the one that you're working on, which looks like this, your finished one on colored construction paper, that is 1/2 of your project grade. And we'll do the other one the next 2 days. It's a 2-day project grade. Remember, those are test grades. So everything else is your classwork grade, okay? So please make sure you are here tomorrow and bring in your work. You should have several drawings due. The Gesture Fest, okay? A practice sheet with your self-portrait done in pencil on just plain white paper, and a finished self-portrait on colored construction paper done with a thin line marker or a pen. Hope you have a great day and see you tomorrow.